Guys, we need to talk. So after I posted this video for a while,
Good day, bro.
Good day, bro. Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Good day, bro.
Yeah, they will surprise.
They will give us the discount.
Maybe.
a lot of you guys keep asking me, hey Bobby, why don't you do more about English content? Why don't you teach English? Love your accent, I want you to speak English more often in your videos, etc. Dude, I can't. I cannot speak English. I don't understand English that much, and definitely I can't even write a sentence. I've never been to Australia, I've never been to the US, I've never been to England. The only country that I've ever been to is Thailand. I used to study there for almost 3 years. I had many fantastic memories with my friends, my classmates, my roommate, my junior, my senior, my co-workers. But at the same time, I also had such a very painful experience as well. It was a tough life, but you know, life has never been easy anyway. And of course, I am very fluent in speaking Thai if you ask me. But guys, I can't speak English. When I was a kid, my dad bought me a lot of English CDs. The first English movie that I watched is The Lion King. Simba, Simba. You know what, like most people, even I've learned English for many years at a couple English schools, I'm still unable to speak English though. And that's why I gave it all up. At least I've tried, you know. So stop asking me to speak English. I cannot speak English at all, okay? Thank you for listening. I can't believe I can't speak English. อันนี้ก็เป็นคลิปหยอกๆนะทุกคนเนาะแบบประมาณว่าบอกอังกฤษบ่ได้หรอกแต่ว่าเบิดเรื่องนะบอกแต่ภาษาอังกฤษจังซี่นะเนาะก็หวังว่าทุกคนจะ enjoy คลิปนี้เนาะก็ฝากกดไลค์กดแชร์ subscribe YouTube Facebook กดไลค์กดเข้าไปพบกันนะบ๊ายบาย